SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off all of the vibration on an iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you've previously gone through the notification settings for some of your apps, and you've turned off the vibration setting for those because you don't like it, then you might be interested in turning off all of the vibration on your iPhone as well. You can do this by opening the Settings app, scrolling down, and choosing the Accessibility option. You can then tap the Touch button in the physical and motor section of the menu, and then you can scroll down and tap the button to the right of vibration to turn it off. Now there's also something else on your phone called Haptics, and you may want to turn that off as well. You can do this by opening the Settings app. You can then find the Sounds and Haptics option and select that, and then you can scroll to the bottom of this menu and tap the button to the right of System Haptics to turn that off as well.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.